Hello, it's me, Oscar from Marijuana Garden.
This discovery right here, it undoes everything. Everything we've been taught, everything we thought we knew, it's all out the window. Deep beneath the Great Pyramid of Giza, they found 8 massive, spiral-shaped cylinders dropping over 600 meters straight into the earth. That's not ancient architecture, that's advanced engineering, that's technology. This wasn't built by primitive tools or slave labor. This was intentional, precise, and hidden on purpose. It reaches into something older and smarter than anything we've been allowed to believe. The narrative is cooked, the official story a joke, and now they can't run from it anymore. I've said it before, they've been lying to us this whole time. The powers that be have always known free energy, efficient, clean, and they buried it. Imagine a world where energy is abundant and free. It's not a fantasy. It's reality, hidden from us. Technologies that could revolutionize our lives, kept in the shadows. Why? Because control over energy means control over people. And that's the last thing they want to give up, but the truth is out there waiting to be uncovered. Because if we weren't dependent on fossil fuels, we wouldn't be stuck in this loop of working, paying, and barely scraping by. They needed us enslaved to the system, so they built one around oil, gas, and fake scarcity. Nikola Tesla knew the truth. He proved we could have free energy. And what happened? He got shut down, wiped out. They say he died old, but anyone who's been paying attention knows the pattern. Nikola Tesla, a man ahead of his time whose inventions could have changed the world. But why was he silenced? What secrets did he uncover that others wanted to keep hidden? Every time someone comes forward with a way to give the world real freedom, real power, they vanish, go silent, or turn up dead. But this one they can't bury. Not this time, there's no walking this one back. They've always known, and now we do too.